It's Cindy and Jan on the back roads, and as you can tell from our thumbnail picture, one of us has a sweet tooth. That would be Cindy, and she highly recommends the cream horn she had today.
Hi everybody, we are in downtown Piqua today, and we are here at Dobo's Delight, and Amy is one of the employees here, and she's going to talk with us and tell us what they have to offer for the community and to other people.
Great.
Yeah, hi. Our owner, Cindy Dobo, she's been doing her bakery for 25-ish years. And she specializes in Hungarian pastries. We also do occasion cakes, weddings, birthdays, graduation, pretty much anything you want a cake for, we do it. We make lots of different varieties of cookies. We sell lots of donuts every day, brownies. We've had people call with special requests, and if we think we can do it, we try to do it for people. And so it's really fun working here, and yeah.
She does breads too.
She does do breads. She does cream bread, salt rice bread, white, wheat, and rye. And she'll even do special orders if you need like dinner rolls or hamburger buns.
That's great. And how long has this bakery been here? 25 years?
In this location, I think it's been here like 20 years. She was located like around the corner for a while.
Okay.
So,
how many days a week are you open?
we are open Tuesday through Saturday, 6:30 to 3, except for on Fridays we're open till 6.
Okay. Everything looks delightful.
Thank you.
This fluffo is a traditional Hungarian pastry that she offers in the shop. And there's a size sheet cake she makes. And if you're someone that likes gluten-free or needs to do gluten-free, she offers some gluten-free varieties too. As soon as we walked in, the cream horns caught Cindy's eye. And she will tell you they are delicious. In full disclosure, I had one too. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it's a traditional Hungarian dessert available in her bakery. And she hasn't forgotten your four-legged friends. She has doggy donuts and doggy donut holes. And Cindy purchased some doggy donut holes to take home to her dog, Mac. It's nice that Piqua has a bakery like this, and it's located right downtown. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook page where we share a lot of additional information, and we'd like you to join us on that too. And if you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. We're always up for a trip on the back roads.